As pre-poll violence wreaks havoc in the state, alleged BJP workers shot dead one person and another seriously injured in Heirok Assembly constituency. According to a report from reliable sources, the deceased, identified as Ningthaujam Rohit, died on the way to Raj Medicity, while his 53-year-old father, Ningthaujam Premchandra, is reported to be still in serious condition. Family members and neighbors allege that it is the handiwork of BJP workers. The incident occurred today at midnight. Injured Ningthaujam Premchandra of Heirok Part 2, Mayalekai, is father of 3 sons. Ningthaujam Rohit, son of Premchandra, is currently a 3rd semester student of Taubal College. Villagers of the area charged that the Manipur police and the BSF were present in the area while the gun shooting happened. However, they did nothing to stop it. Heirok police has registered a case in this regard, the source added. Meanwhile, family members, local Maira Paibi and friends of the gun shooting victims took out a protest demonstration against the killing of Ningthaujam Rohit and seriously injuring his father, Ningthaujam Premchandra. The protest march procession echoes with condemnation remarks. Meanwhile, irate locals of Heirok have shut down Heirok Road stretch. Wood logs have been put up in the middle of the road right in front of the entry gate of Welcome to Heirok Kendra.